Hey guys, so been kind of busy, not much time to blog this and that and the other thing, but I miss you guys. I know you miss me. Um, my little sister is just about to pop, I will try and finish this video, but anytime from now until the relatively near future, she could just come out and be like, hey, my water broke, it's time for your nephew to join us. So let's hope we can get a good little clip in here. I have some good news other than that. I mean, that's the best news. But I got my toys in the mail today, and I want to show you. I got this nifty little object to start on my lockpick making venture. Looks like I'm opening the cool little mask. I actually saw different products online for about the same price that offered the same qualities, but this one looked coolest. So, oh my goodness, yeah. Oh my gosh. Face mask. I'm not going to be getting little metal pieces jammed up in my eyes. Oh yeah. Well, no, don't get me wrong, my eyes are going to be magnets no matter what, I know this. But we'll try and avoid as much of the frying metal as possible. Yeah, put that together in a little bit. But the reason I need this mask is because I got this cool little 3-inch bench grinder, and I figure that'll do for any of my lockpick making needs. It comes with this cool little flex shaft attachment for precision tooling. I don't know. Seemed pretty cool. Good for the price. I don't know. Not gonna complain at all. Can't wait to start playing with that. Looks like it comes with an abrasive fiber tool, and one is a grinding stone. And then because I got that in the mail today, I went over to the Dollar Tree and picked up some metal to start playing with. Gonna try and work that into a few picks. I don't have any cutting heads for like a Dremel or anything yet, so I figured I might as well like saw through the knife to make workable chunks of metal if I don't have cutting heads by the time I just can't control myself and have to start playing with my new toy. Yeah, these are only like $1 a piece for a good amount of stainless steel. I'm sure you guys can find those at your Dollar Tree, something like that. I don't know. They're a little thick, but yeah, I'm sure I can play with them because I actually went out to the hardware store and picked myself up a nice 10-piece little hand file set. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be using all of this to make lock picks, but definitely not going to have any problem finding uses for it. I'm sure I'm going to have tons of fun that I didn't even expect I was going to be having, so that's a great little advantage right there. I then picked up my 600, 800. You're just gonna have to take my word on it. Sorry, camera. And 1,000 grit sandpaper so that I can get a nice little tumbled steel look finish after I'm done. Kind of give the edges a nice little twist. I don't know. Hopefully it'll look nice afterwards, and maybe some of those will be coming out with challenge locks pretty soon. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Love you guys, but no promises. I don't know how much work I'm going to be putting into this. Like, it's going to be fun. But I also happened to pick up super crappy little Dollar Tree padlock, and I only grabbed one because I just wanted to see what it was like to play with, and as I thought, piece of crap. But I'm gonna go back tomorrow and I'm gonna take one of these out of its package. I don't know if I have the package here, but they're easy to open, and I'm gonna take one out of the package and see if my key works on that lock. If they're not all clones, just if they're not keyed the same, I'm gonna buy the lot of them, because I figure even if they're super horrible locks, for $1, that's a good amount of practice. So looking forward to my next little splurge of buying crap at the Dollar Tree and whatnot. Also, I think I showed you guys this in my first video. This is, I call it the danger ball, because this little spike right here just kind of lodges right in your hand when you pop this open. That's been fun. I am, however, going to take the little water seal, I don't know what the hell blue tag thing is. I'm going to take that off and grind off these little studs and force them through here out the other end, enough so that I can pry apart this little laminated lock and see what's inside, because I've never done that before and I think it sounds like fun. So yeah, I'll definitely be having a video of that. I'll try and pick this thing on camera too at some point. I don't know, maybe I'll put some TV on in the background and you guys can listen to what I'm watching and watch me pick a lock. It'll be fun. But anyway, these are the toys that I just picked up. I'm super stoked. I think I've got a lot of stuff to play with and a lot of time to do it after the baby's born. But until then, I love you guys and I will see you next time. Okay, have a good night.